Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Swati and today we are going to do an Ajio haul. So I purchased a lot of items from the Fashion Iconic sale on Ajio, which was there from 17th to 21st of September. So actually my order got delayed and that's why the video is delayed now. I just purchased few products from this iconic sale and I'm going to take you through what I have purchased, and I really hope that you guys like those products, and if you like them you can actually check in the description box below. I'm going to link the products there, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. Thing which I got is the dress which I am wearing right now. So this dress is in the color capsicum green and it is quite a different color. तो ये वाला color actually मेरे को बहुत टाइम से मन था कि मैं लूँ, and this dress is especially great for the beaches. So if you are going to go on a casual outing or some vacation, then you can wear this dress, and it is backless from back and it is kind of a wrap over from in the front. But the only problem which I face is that it has kind of a halted neck and it shows your cleavage, so I'm not quite comfortable with that and I don't know if I'm going to keep it or return it. Now moving on to the second item which I got is this jute bag. So I have been actually looking for this type of jute bag for a long time and I found it on Ajio for a really special price. This is from the brand called Diva and this bag only costed me around 450 rupees, which is quite a deal because I have seen these types of bags over like online apps and even on Zara. So these bags actually come around from 1000 to 2000 rupees generally, but for 450 from a brand called Diva, it is really nice and it is actually a jute bag, so it is not going anywhere. You can use it for outings, for beaches or even while you're shopping. So safe plastic. Now next item which I got is this cute little t-shirt. It is kind of a crop top, so it has this detailing on the bottom, so you can see there are two tie-ups, like you can tie it in the front and it will give you a crop top knot kind of look in the front, and the color is so soothing for the summers. It is a pastel pink, तो ये कलर बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है अगर आप गर्मी में पहनते हैं और आपको वो गर्मी में डार्क कलर्स अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं. So this type of light colors actually gives a good vibe, and also it has these floral prints in the front, so it makes quite a good t-shirt. Moving on to the next item, I got these gym track pants. So these track pants came for 627, which is quite costly, which I feel, because I regret buying these. These were I bought for my gym, but it is kind of a cotton mix and not actually sweat proof, and also after wearing it for 2 to 3 times there were some threads, तो ये कुछ धागे निकल रहे हैं इसके, तो I won't recommend you to buy these as the quality is not so good. If you are looking for sweat proof for daily wear, then I won't recommend to buy you these. So next up we got this cute mini skirt from Ajio. So this skirt is quite popular. I have seen a lot of people wearing the same skirt. So this skirt comes for around 234 rupees. So I would say it is a great price for a skirt, but talking about the stuff and the quality is not so good, so I am actually not happy with the quality, but according to the price it is good. If you are just looking to make some fashion statement, so you can actually go and invest in this skirt, but if you are looking for something which makes you feel comfortable, then I won't recommend this product to you. Moving on to the next item, I got this flip-flop for my daily wear at home. So we are staying at home, so these are really required. तो मेरे पुराने वाले चप्पल एक्चुअली थोड़े से पुराने हो गए हैं, तो मैंने ये वाले स्लीपर्स मंगाए हैं, तो काफ़ी सही है. 160 रुपीज़ में इट इज़ गुड. On to the next item, I got this pretty necklace from Jules Galaxy. So this necklace is actually quite in trend. I have seen so many bloggers wearing these type of necklaces. So it has this chain, so this chain is quite popular nowadays, and also it has this lock pendant. So I really like the vibe of this pendant, and it really looks so beautiful after wearing. So I got it from a brand called Jules Galaxy, and it costed me around 400 rupees, so it is quite a deal. And I searched like for multiple online stores. We were only getting this single chain necklace for around 600 to 700, and after discount I got this for only 400, so which is quite a great deal from Ajio. Now moving on to the next item, I got this pair of pointed heels. So this is from Ajio itself, and Ajio has a very good collection of heels, slippers and flats. So this time I wanted something in the pointed heels, so I got these heels, and it has this much, around 2 to 3 inches of heels, and it is quite good for wearing outside or if you are going to office. So this looks very beautiful, and the color is so vibrant. It's kind of a charcoal blue, and I quite like the product and the styling, and they have quite a lot of different ranges, prices, and you can find very good in footwear range, especially in Ajio, so you must try that out. Now moving on to the last item of our haul, I got this kurta set. So it is kind of a palazzo plus kurta and a jacket set. So this is the kurta, and as you can see there are some block printing on the kurta, and we have this matching blue color jacket with, you can see how pretty this looks after wearing. So this kurta is quite good for the festive season, which is just now around the corner, and I purchased it especially for the Durga Puja. So I am going to wear it on my Durga Puja, and it is quite a good kurta and set. Actually the kurta and the material is so soft. It is in pure cotton, and especially the color combination, I am quite a fan of the white color because it gives you like a so soothing vibes in summers, and white and blue makes a great combination here. So I'm going to wear it quite often, and you are going to see a lot of pictures of me wearing this. Now that's it for the haul today, and I hope that you guys really like this video. If you guys like this, then give it a thumbs up, and also comment below which is your favorite product from this haul, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye bye, stay safe.